Damn, it's dark. Really dark. Good to go, good to go. Not focused on my face. What's up? So, long time no see. I've been battling issues like crazy with the car, including my camera. My camera's been broken for a week now. Well, it's been broken longer than that, but I've only been trying to make a video for a week. Got that sorted out. But I've been having crazy issues with the S15 ever since I sent the ECU out. That wasn't the problem. I think when I had the ECU out, I was just messing with some stuff. Still haven't figured it out. I'm gonna break a couple things down for you guys. But welcome to the shit show of my fucking SR. So it's been misfiring down low, and then lately at like 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs, it like hits a cut like really hard. Like it'll go wah, blah, and then it'll like anti-lag and take off. So I was ohming out like my coolant temp sensor because this thing's always ran rich. That was good. I even replaced it. Still obviously no change, but that was good. Tested grounds. All the grounds are good. Went for the TPS. Checked that out with the voltmeter. Everything seemed close, but it was a little iffy. So I even bought a brand new one from Nissan just because I wanted to get it figured out. Still no change. Come out. It's super rich. Well, you guys can't see. If you have any ideas, if I don't get it figured out this video, throw it down in the comments. I probably should do a compression check and a leak down test, but I don't think that's my issue because it was running fine before. We even thought it maybe had cams in the engine because I had a stock ECU and it sounded like cams, but it's not. I took them off. It's the stock codes. So I'm gonna pull these plugs. We'll take a look and we'll go get some new ones and gap them to like 0.24 or something small. And then also, huge shout out to my dude. His actual Instagram is The Rose Factory, and his name is Melvin, I believe. He's probably gonna be mad if I'm wrong. But he sent me his whole front angle kit along with extra stuff. It's a subframe, extended tie rods, extended lowers. This box was like 100 pounds. I had to put it on this damn wheelbarrow. But as you can see, he relocated the rack. I did this before on the Kooky, but this time he hooked it up. I'm excited to try someone else's kit for once to give a review on it. These are his control arms. We went with 40mm extensions. Might be too wide, and I might just run stock lowers. I'm not sure yet. I don't want this car to look like a crab at all, but we'll see. We should be getting, if this car runs right today, we're installing that and we're going drifting because it's been too long. Okay, so just got back from AutoZone or Advance, whatever you want to call it. Got another gapper, always lose them. And we are gonna gap these plugs. Like I said, we're gonna go down to like 0.24. Let's see what the other ones gaps are actually. So here, leave you guys. So it's definitely not gonna focus for you guys, but I know this gap is gonna be big. It's not huge. It's like 28. Okay, new plugs in, gap to about 0.24, 0.25. Obviously, I'm not gonna get it perfect. There's got to be a better way to gap spark plugs to get them more accurate than that thing. But yeah, the car, if it's gonna run right, it should idle again because it used to idle fine. So hopefully it starts right up and everything's a-okay. Like I said, when I changed that ground, it actually made it a lot smoother. So maybe she just needed some fresh plugs. Of course, it's not gonna want to idle. This goddamn car, man, it better work. But if it does, I'm so frustrated with this thing that tonight she's gonna get driven hard. This thing is pissing me off. And then when I was jacking it up to take the fucking jack stands out, my jack is such a piece of shit that by the time I got the one out of the other side, the jack already fell down another 2 inches and the other one was getting tight, so I had to jack it back up. I'm so angry. Please just work, car. It definitely sounded better, so that's good. It's still not idling though. Oh, hear that? It's not warmed up yet though. It was warm earlier, but I gotta drive it. I need to, and it doesn't have a boost leak either. So no one tell me it has a boost leak, because it doesn't. I tested it. Okay, so before this issue, there's two things that I changed. Stock ECU tune, went back to stock, and fuel pump. So just to get it out of the way, I went ahead and removed the Nismo, or the Tomei fuel pump, which same thing as Nismo. Not the same brand, but these pumps are the same. I don't know, I don't remember it shaking like this around. And there's a screw or something missing right there. I don't remember looking to see if it was in there in the first place. But I put the stock one back in, and we're gonna go ahead and just try that because this is really frustrating. Okay, I forgot to record this for you guys, but I just unplugged the VCT and there was fucking water in there or some sort of liquid. It's idling now. It's still got a little bit of a mist. Well, not a mist, but like that. God damn it. It's been hours. I've been out here since 8 a.m. and I think we're finally ready to figure out the problem. Okay, so you guys missed it. Do I have a sleepy eye? Oh my goodness. I have been out here. I just pulled all the injectors out and I brought them over here. I got some carbon choke cleaner, threw some voltage through them to make them click, pulsate, you know, like, yeah, and then spray carbon choke cleaner to clean out the gunk out, because I know this is a fuel issue, or at least that's what I was thinking. And there actually was some gunk in there, so whether or not this was the issue or not, which I think it was, we got that stuff cleaned out. They definitely were dirty, and there was even like a little grime like in the ring in there. All right, I'm pretty sure everything's back together. Let's hear this thing. Probably still won't idle because the spark plugs are crazy fouled, but. Oh, she's trying. I don't know what it's doing. What is up? Yes, these are Melina's glasses. They're not mine, but I need glasses, so I'm wearing them. I just did a full circle. Welcome to the video. I was supposed to make a video yesterday. Matter of fact, I did make a video yesterday, but it went so horrible like the past couple weeks, I couldn't believe it. Yeah, so everything has been crazy for me. I've just been trying to get the car right, and it has been acting wild, like it doesn't want to work. So I have checked everything. I could have made the video yesterday and you guys would have seen it all. I mean, I ohmed out, checked the voltage on every sensor, every single one. Everything's good. I even replaced the TPS, even though I knew it was good, with a brand new one. Replaced the MAF just to try it. Checked the wiring. The wiring harness is brand new. Nothing's broken, nothing's kinked. No boost leaks, no vacuum leaks, not even an exhaust leak. So it came to my conclusion that the ECU was probably bad. I actually sent it out to be, you guys remember I had that G-Zone tune or whatever. I sent it out to get rid of that. And when they did it, they obviously had to unsolder it and solder something back in. Maybe something got messed up. I'm not mad at them at all. That's a risk that you're gonna take when you do stuff like that. So I'm not that bummed. So I went ahead and just said, screw it, and I ordered a Link ECU. Sadly, no discount. I wish I would have got hooked up or something, but now playing full price thing was like, actually it was almost $1,400. But it's a really good ECU. Can't wait to test that out. Built-in map sensor. I'm actually getting Jimmy to tune it. I just called him on the phone. So I ordered IAT and all that. I probably need to stop talking, but a lot of stuff's going on. Anyways, welcome to the video. And the S15 looking like a straight race car. I love this silver. Shoo. Let's turn this thing around, pull it in, and also pull the S14 in. Your whole life I tried, and now I'm getting closer. Welcome to the video, motherfuckers. See my eyes fucked up? Fucking Daquan did this shit at work. We're going to Jimmy Oaks. We got some shit to do. The S15's acting crazy. Okay, so not even an hour in, maybe an hour. Car's running pretty good actually. Obviously I'm not beating on it, but we're doing good, chugging along. I got drank a Red Bull, so I'm wide awake. But this bucket seat is rough, and my suspension, I probably should have turned down the dampening before I rolled out. But as you can see, headlights are keeping me nice and bright. See you soon, Jim Dog. Check out this cool ass tunnel we're coming up on. It's like yellow. What is up? Oh my goodness. We made it to Jimmy's shop. Oh God. Sleeping in a fucking S15 is rough. Rough as hell. I slept in the bucket seat a little bit, and when I woke up, half my body was asleep. Like, I was tingling like crazy. It fucking sucked. And before you ask why Jimmy didn't let me in the shop, he was gonna, but I forgot to literally tell him I was on my way. And when he realized I was coming, he was already home, and I'm pretty sure his house was far from the shop, so he couldn't just come unlock it for me. Well, I could have just went to his house or whatever. It doesn't bother me that I was only here for like 4 hours. I'm getting up now. I kind of want to see what Damien's doing actually, if he's even close to like around in this area. I don't even know what this area is, but I'm gonna go get some Dunkin' Donuts because I'm feeling extra rough this morning and I don't want to keep trying to sleep. It's actually really cold out here. It's like, what temperature is it actually? Like I'm freezing. I was gonna leave my car idling, but it might blow up, so. It's 53 degrees. And before you said it's not that cold, I'm used to 80 because I drove quite a bit. I don't know why it's so much colder here. But yeah, let's go find some food. Damn, that's not even in focus. Is my phone charged? Of course not. Let's get over here. And there's people walking around too, and they probably see me sleeping in here and they're like, fucking homeless kid. Go back home. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, this was a real struggle. I'd never want to do that again. I'd rather have a fucking tent. Dude, I'm rolling out now. These people are probably laughing. Oh, S15, oh, S15. You better fucking start. Good girl. Fucking haunted house. Yeah,
it's a tease, you know.
Just a tease. But yeah, we're going over the timing. Yeah, hopefully everything works, and we're gonna hit the dyno, and this thing's gonna tear it up. The link ECU is in there though. You guys can't see it's in a crusty old shell, but it's actually pretty badass. Check this shit out. I straight skid marked. Oh, I can't. Oh, that was fucking dirty as shit. On the dyno. What? No, you're fine. What? There we go. Car is on the dyno. Jimmy's about to lay down 150 horsepower for me.
Oh yeah.
Hell
big horsepower.
Yeah. Huh?
So are we gonna just go until the injectors max out? Is that game plan?
I mean, let's not run them at fucking 100% duty cycle.
Alright, we'll go to 85.
That's fine.
Perfect.
Yeah, I don't want to do that because I'm not pressed for 10 extra horsepower. This thing was slow as a dog before, so should be all right. The goal, though, it would be cool to hit the 300 mark, but I mean, if we hit 250, I don't care.
We'll try.
It runs good. That's all that matters.
Yeah. Hey, enough boost, it can make whatever you want.
Yeah. Not with these pencil tip injectors. All right. Well, we'll see. And also, we're not running the IAT because Link doesn't give you a $5 plug that should have came with it, so that kind of sucks. But I'm gonna go ahead and order that, and then we'll do it over the phone or something later. But we are gonna tune it on the map, right? You are gonna do the map? Okay. Hell yeah. Everybody does. We are heading home, Jimmy. I love you, dude. You saved me. Thanks, pal. Jim Dog. Thanks, Jim Dog. Oh my God, guys. But yeah, fuck it. I don't even care that you can't see me, dude. It's the next day. Got home late last night. I didn't even record. I was supposed to go to work. this morning. It's like 3 p.m. now. I didn't go. I really actually wanted to go, but I haven't been this tired in so long. This was extreme though. Like, I tried getting up and going. Dude, I couldn't move. My body was exhausted. But it's the following day, and as long as I don't look too crazy right now, I would just like to say thank you to Jimmy. You really, really helped it out. Thank you, Daquan, because he let me borrow $1,000 because I was just broke. And I needed to get this done before Seneca Circuit tomorrow, and I really just appreciate all my friends. I appreciate everything, you know, that's been thrown my way. It has been a very crazy couple weeks. I've been getting screwed on a lot of stuff, and I'm just, hopefully now things turn around. I'm gonna go get some Dunkin' Donuts. I love you guys. My eye's healing. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's the following day. I have been in neutral for like 3 miles just rolling down this massive mountain. There's a fucking monster truck up there. We're down in like Shenandoah or something. Like I said, Berkey's filming today, but I figured I'd probably show you guys a couple things before I end this video. And then we'll wait for Berkey to finish his video. Still got a black eye.